Technology has changed the way we live, the way we interact with one another, and most importantly, the way we learn. So, what is it that our students need to learn to prepare them for future careers? According to Solomon and the National Education Associations, 21st century learners need to be critical thinkers. Students should be able to analyze a situation, evaluate evidences, and think of ways to solve problems. Learners must be able to communicate. Articulating their thoughts and ideas effectively is essential in gaining 21st century skills. If they can say what they know and why it's important, then it will be beneficial for them to persuade, motivate, and contribute to their community. Next is collaboration. In today's world, one must know how to be a team player and work with diverse members, both local and global. Collaboration is key to more meaningful learning and effective results. And last but not the least is creativity and innovation. In a world where good design and novel ideas are increasingly desired, one must be innovative and creative to become successful in the workforce. With all these criteria in mind, I recommend MadLearn, a creativity and innovation tool that can prepare ninth graders for 21st century skills. MadLearn is a mobile app development that fosters learners' thinking process by identifying problems, creating solutions, as well as planning, designing, and building apps that matters. Students and teachers both learn the fundamentals of mobile app development without coding experience required. This tool provides a student-centered approach and inquiry-based learning with real-world applications. The first step of MadLearn fosters creativity and innovation. It allows students to be creative and innovative when thinking of what app they would like to create that can either be useful to their classrooms, school, community, or the world, which promotes civic engagement among students at the same time. For example, students can think of an issue they would like to solve or build awareness, such as recycling, bullying, or learn about the nervous system. By thinking of the mobile app they want to build, students will identify a problem. Identifying the need for their app is the first step to problem solving and critical thinking. Learners will effectively analyze and evaluate evidence, arguments, claims, and beliefs as they think of ways to implement solutions to their problem through their app. Initial brainstorming will help students understand, interpret, and express their ideas on what apps they think matter. Exchange of thoughts furthers students' understanding on what they might consider a useful app. This tool also allows students to have different roles and responsibilities in building their product. They can collaborate their ideas as a team and be accountable for each other's work. Learning is strengthened by giving students an opportunity to interact and collaborate with others on instructional tasks such as this. In order to conceptualize their app, MadLearn introduces learners to mind mapping. Within the software, students can take advantage of the knowledge construction tool to map out their ideas and help them visualize the content and functionality of their app. Planning, drafting, organizing their thoughts by creating a mind map fosters critical thinking and decision-making skills, which are essential in the process of building their application. National Education Association reveals that communication skills are fundamental for the 21st century learning. MadLearn is a tool that can further the learner's communication skills. By pitching their idea to the class and the teachers, students are communicating their goals for making the mobile app. This is a way for them to justify the importance of their innovation and also articulate the meaning behind their choices in planning the content and design of the overall interface of their application. According to Jonathan, the people who learn most from designing materials are the designer and not the learners for whom the materials are intended. During the design phase, students will learn more about mobile app development as they creatively design their product by putting together elements to create a functional mobile app. Students can be creative in choosing from a variety of themes, create their logo, choose colors, and innovate in ways to reorganize elements based on functionality and ease of use by customizing their layout. They can even create and add images as well as create and add video content. In the process of building their app, learners can collaborate with students within their school or even connect to other schools around the world so they can get feedback as well as learn from other people's perspective. To amplify their reach, learners can integrate communication tools in their apps such as YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many more. Students can also use multiple media and technology to learn how to assess impact and effectiveness of their app. National Education Association believes that if today's students want to compete in this global society, they must be proficient communicators, creators, critical thinkers, and collaborators. MadLearn is an app that fosters the four C's of learning. By taking advantage of this new tool, we are also tapping into students' natural affinity to mobile apps in order to create learning experience that expand their worldview and enhance what they learn. According to Solomon and Shrum, we must leverage in interconnectedness, immediacy, interactivity, communication, and community in preparing our students for the 21st century workforce, which is what MadLearn can offer.